Time right now is 5:20. Welcome back to KHOU 11 Morning News. As you take a live look at the roads from our weather tracker, we're continuing to watch winter weather conditions across the Houston area.
But for now, it is 5:21. Time for weather and traffic on the ones.
Cheetah, what can we expect today?
All right, well, the good news is moisture is moving out. There's only a tiny little bit here from Brazoria into Matagorda County. You see that little bit of pink, so some of the rain, a little bit of moisture trying to transition to freezing rain. This is not going to stick. This is not going to pack a punch here, and this is the last bit of the moisture that we're going to be tracking all day. Let me show you statewide. It's the same story. All that moisture is now to our east. So now the story is just how cold we are out there. Notice single digits, 1 degrees in Amarillo this morning, 3 in Lubbock, 21 in Dallas. Not out of the question Amarillo could go sub-zero this morning, as we'll probably reach our lows around 7:30. 28, that's at the big airport. Now we have to go back to February 20th of 2021, so basically a year ago, to talk temperatures this cold. So it has been a long time. Feels like temperatures area-wide in the teens, feeling like 17 in Sugar Land, 17 in Tomball, 13 in Conroe, 10 degrees. That's the feels like temperature right now in College Station. So a really cold day ahead of us. In fact, even at lunchtime today, we'll hover right around the freezing point. Feels like our wind chills at 25. This afternoon, temperatures remain in the 30s, and those wind chills are still going to be right around the freezing point. So Kim, even though we're starting to see most of this moisture move on out of here throughout the day today, it's just going to be bitterly cold. Just a harsh Friday.
Yeah, a dreary day. It's going to be cloudy, it's going to be breezy, it's going to be cold. Temperatures pretty much in the 20s for the morning. We transition into the 30s by this afternoon, still bitterly cold. And yeah, we got that wind sustained at 15 to 20 miles an hour through the duration of the day. So you probably guessed it, it's going to feel much chillier than that today. I say try to avoid going outside at all costs between 6 and 7:30. That's when we're going to see those temperatures drop into the single digits for our far western counties. Teens for everybody else, getting into the low 20s and seeing some improvement by the noon hour. Improvement, I mean, at least breaking into the 30s for feels like conditions in some spots. Well, I will say we do have this hard freeze warning for temperatures dipping down to 21 degrees. Wind chill feels like conditions as low as 5 degrees. Both of these warnings until the noon hour. There is light at the end of the tunnel. 2 very chilly mornings still ahead of us for this weekend, but temperatures starting to rebound into the mid-50s for the weekend, and then a gradual warm up as we transition into the work week. Mid-60s on the horizon for this coming Thursday.
All right, Kim, thank you.